A narrow strip of land connecting two large habitats having elephant population, elephant corridor ensures the safety of elephants. However, over the years, major threats have been imposed to it, such as habitat loss leading to fragmentation and destruction caused by development activities. Iron ore mining and coal mining are also major threats to the elephants. Despite of a joint action plan by the Ministry of Forests, Environment and Climate Change and the Ministry of Railways, about 60 elephants have been killed since 3 years. Our indigenous solution to this problem is the Gajar Rakshak.
In this project, we are using LDR and laser, which helps us to sense the object, and we are also using a weight sensor connected to the NC-based ESP node 8266, and we are presenting the motor powered wheel as a dummy train, and to supply power connection we are using 5 watt electric charger, and to stop the train we are using a relay module.
Our project works on the principle of photoconductivity, where when light or electromagnetic radiation falls on any semiconductor material, the resistance decreases and it conducts electricity. In our project, the light source is laser and the semiconductor material is the LDR, light dependent resistor, which consists of cadmium sulfate semiconductor. When laser falls on the LDR, the resistance decreases and it conducts electricity. In our project, the lasers also send the signal to the relay module which stops the train.
So let us begin with our working part of this Gajar Rakshak technique. So now, as you all can see, we are having 3 levels of signal and a load sensor here. Level 1, level 2, level 3. So when the object is detected 700 meters before the track, it will blink as a green signal. As you can see in the Blink IoT app, in the Gajar Rakshak part, it will blink as a green signal. And when the object is detected before 400 meters, it will blink as a orange signal. And when the object comes nearer to the track, means 250 meters before the track, it will blink as a red signal. And the train will get stopped automatically through the relay module, as the relay module will cut off the power connection. In real life, the train won't stop automatically, so for that we are going to use automated coupler, which will help them to detach if the train comes to accident prone area. And after all, if the object goes near the railway track or on the railway track and puts the step on load sensor, then it will show us the weight and the train will also automatically get notified and it will stop. As you all can see, I have put a weight on it. It's 955 gram. I have put here maximum weight as 2000 gram, but in real life it would be in 5 ton, 10 ton, as we cannot put here the elephant's weight. So when it blinks as green, the driver can go smoothly, but when it comes to orange, the driver has to slow down into an instant so that it can instantly apply brakes, and when it comes to red, the driver has to stop the train and wait till the elephant passes the railway track. In our future, we are going to use IR sensor with the help of very high frequency radio waves, so that we can communicate in deep forest and there would be no communication gap. We are also going to use camera traps so that we can easily spot the elephant anywhere near the railway track. So this was all about our project. Thank you. Have a nice day.